Assalamu alaikum. This is Fatima Arshad, roll number 002, program MSPT. The topic of my presentation is exploring 5G technology, including the revolutionizing connectivity and communication. The contents include introduction, how 5G technology works, availability and expansion of 5G, the real-world impact of 5G technology and its importance. Introduction to 5G technology. 5G referred to the fifth generation of mobile network technology succeeding 4G LTE. It promises significantly faster data speed, lower latency, and enhanced connectivity for a wide range of devices and applications. 5G is poised to transform industries, enable new technologies like IoT and autonomous vehicles, and improve overall user experience with its advanced capabilities. How 5G technology works. These include two basic things: spectrum utilization, core network enhancement. What is spectrum utilization? It utilizes a wide range of frequencies, including low band, mid band, and high band, all 3 mm wave. These are the wavelengths, basically, each offering different speeds and coverage. Small cells and massive MIMO, which means multiple input and multiple output. Technology increase network capacity and efficiency, which means that you can input any multiple data and receive any multiple output. Beamforming directs signals towards specific users and reducing interference and improving reliability. The second basic topic is core network enhancement, which includes network virtualization and edge computing enable faster data processing and reduced latency, which means a large amount of data can be processed in very really fast speed. Network slicing allows operators to create multiple virtual networks tailored to different applications. Availability and expansion of 5G, which includes timeline. Basically, the work on 5G development began around 2019, which gradually expand across regions globally. By 2024, the significant coverage in some urban areas and some major cities is expected, with ongoing infrastructure development in suburban and rural areas. As we have seen that Japan has already introduced 5G in its country. Expansion strategy. Telecom operators are investing heavily in infrastructure upgrades, which includes some new towers, some fiber optic networks, some small cell deployments. The second is regulating approval and spectrum auction play a crucial role in accelerating or delaying deployment timelines. The real-world impact of 5G technology. Through 5G technology, we can get enhanced mobile experiences, dramatically faster download speed, upload speeds, improving streaming, gaming, video calling experiences. It can also bring revolution to IoT, which enables seamless connectivity for a vast number of IoT devices, which facilitates smart homes, cities, including industries. Edge computing advantages, which means it enables real-time data processing for critical applications like autonomous vehicles and augmented reality. It also will bring benefits to industry transformation, which may support advanced applications in healthcare, which includes telemedicine, as the healthcare line includes a large amount of data that can be processed with the help of 5G technology. Manufacturing, like small factories, transportation, which includes vehicles and most importantly autonomous vehicles, and agriculture, which includes precise farming. Its importance are as a given. Number one is economic growth. With the help of 5G technology, new innovations can be bring and economic developments can be brought through new businesses, models, and services. It can also bring a large amount of job opportunities in telecom, infrastructure deployments, some application development, and related sectors. New applications can be developed with the help of 5G technology. Number two, connectivity and accessibility. As 5G technology would have a greater amount of speed, which may reduce the digital division by providing high speed internet access in remote and underserved areas as well. It may support remote work, which people do mostly, like house jobs, like home based jobs, online educations, maybe in future, and telemedicine, especially crucial during global crises like pandemics. Number three, technological advancements, which catalyzes advancement in AI, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, and machine learning by enabling faster data transfer and processing. Here's the conclusion. In summary, I would say that 5G technology represents a significant leap forward in mobile communications, offering unparalleled speed, connectivity, and reliability. Its impact spans across various industries and societal aspects, driving innovations and economic growth globally. The closing thoughts are, as 5G continues to expand and evolve throughout the world, throughout the globe, it will continue to reshape how we live, how we work, how we interact with the technology and with the people around the world, paving the way for more connected and advanced digital future.